BMW stepping the game up. This is crazy. Ain't got no gas in it. You guys are in a dangerous spot. One on one. Yep. BMW stepping.
XM's first.
Yep.
They really trap
up on there.
Yep. BMW stepping their game up.
BMW coming
Look at that
up.
nasty.
Oh yeah, that's bad.
That is nasty. That is sick. The sickest BMW I've ever seen. Wow. This is crazy. Hey, the radiator's fucked.
Is it?
Yeah.
Speaking liquid moly, I think the engine fell out.
Joe, you alright, man?
Yeah, liquid moly's leaking.
Huh?
The tree's fine.
I don't give a fuck about this. Only Tesla drivers care about
Yeah.
it. Oh, wait. Huh? I don't know how he did that.
Tesla cannot fly.
The battery's fucked up.
What?
The battery's dead.
Oh, you think so? No. You like disconnect?
They're gonna move it. Excuse me, your Tesla's leaking transmission fluid.
No. I wouldn't mess with it. Don't let them tow it, whatever you do. Find your own tow, don't let them tow it.
Tell them it's a Halloween decoration. La vida, la vida.
There's a big ass deer. I saw one.
Officer, the tree jumped in his way.
I think that's what happened.
The what?
The kid ran down the street and he had to dodge.
Yep.
Like a tie rod or? Yeah. Ball joint. Lower ball joint. So where ball joint is at? Oh,
Shit.
shit.
That's the only thing in there.
That's what I said. What the fuck?
It's antifreeze. There you go.
It's the ultimator.
Nobody has those little jack wheels? Put it on there?
Oh, yeah, that wheel's curved pretty good.
Yeah. That'll buff out.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Huh?
Hey, I think Crown Customs could fix that curved wheel.
Yeah, they can.
Huh?
They can.
See?
They'll sand it down, straighten it out. It's probably back. Are they getting a truck or something, or forklift?
Dolly. Ain't got no gas in it. No, it's a plaid. Look at the steering wheel.
No, that's what I'm saying. Custom.
I do like the
front end's
big
custom
ass,
now.
big ass screens though.
It's custom.
So it's the,
Custom faded?
so yeah.
Can we
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Does he have a? Does he have a
Yeah,
handle?
we could at least.
Yeah. Oh, a spoiler? Yeah.
Carven X Tesla.
He's got the he's got the Snapchat symbol, the little ghost.
What, the Instagram?
Yeah.
I just changed it today.
What is it?
It's just Carven.
Just carbon. Just carbon. Okay.
Just crashed Tesla.
Just Carven.
Please say just crashed.
Huh?